Hello, Sele takers! Tara, review tayo. So, meron tayo ditong algebra problem and you can solve it first. Pause nyo muna, then balik kayo dito. So, sagutan natin. If x is less than y and y is less than z, find x, y, and z. And given tayo dito ng isang equation. So, to solve this, try natin umisip ng mabilis na paraan. Kaya ba ang shift solve? Kung isipin natin, actually hindi ito kaya ng shift solve. Kasi ang shift solve, ang kaya lang niya, isang variable sa isang equation. In this case, itong equation na to ay merong tatlong variable. Another. Kung meron lang sana tayong tatlong equation, kaya natin itong isolve. Kasi sabi sa algebra, if we have three unknowns, we need three equations. Kaso wala, iisa lang yung equation. So is this even solvable? Yes, actually solvable to using discrete analysis wherein we are going to assume some things and kailangan may constraint. So meron na tayong unang constraint dyan na yung condition na ibinigay. Na magdadagdag na lang tayo ng assumption, no? So, isang assumption natin is dapat itong x, y, z are integers, no? And ibig sabihin ng integers are whole number and most likely mga positive yan para maging whole number ito. So, ganito magiging diskarte natin. Iisip lang tayo ng tatlong powers of 3 na kung saan whole number itong mga to and kapag pinag-add natin yung tatlong powers of 3 na yon magiging 117. Okay? So, ang diskarte natin, i-list down natin yung mga possible powers of 3. So, lagay natin dito, we have 3 raised to 0. Alam natin that is 1. Next is 3 raised to 1. Alam natin that is 3. Then another is 3 raised to 2. And that is 9. Ano pa? 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 raised to 4 is 81. And 3 raised to 5 is 243, if I'm not mistaken. So dito, mag-i-stop na tayo sa 3 raised to 5. Kasi ang kailangan natin, tatlong powers of 3 na i-add para maging 117. Kaso ito masyado na siyang malaki on its own. And kung titignan natin, ito medyo kulang pa. So pwede natin gawin is i-add itong 27. Pero kulang pa rin. And if you will notice, and i-input mo ito sa calculator, actually, pag nag-plus natin ng 81, 27 at saka 9, it will be equal to 117. So, meron na tayong possible answer dito. Ilapag lang natin itong tatlo. That would be 3 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 4 equal to 117. And as you can see, parehas na sila ng format. So, ibig sabihin, si x ay equal sa 2, si y naman ay equal sa 3, and si z is equal to 4. And i-check natin yung ating condition. Yung x should be less than y, which is okay. And y should be less than x. And that is okay din. So, yun. See you ulit sa susunod.